Hi guys, I hope everybody is staying sane during this quarantine. I think that lots of people are cooking more than usual, which is fantastic. I hope you'll check out my YouTube further and also maybe check out food52.com and click Dash of Amy in the search box and you can see all my recipes. I have a ton. And anyway, today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make buttermilk biscuits from scratch. Only 5 ingredients, flaky, delicious, fast, easy. You can throw in some fried chicken and make a Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit right at home. Or what I like is some butter and some honey. Ooh, scrumptious. So we'll just go ahead and get started. So these biscuits are super easy and you should have all the ingredients at home, okay? Because I know a lot of people aren't going to the store right now. So begin with an all-purpose flour. You could even use a bread flour if that's what you have. And you're going to put 2 cups. To that, you're going to put 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Next is half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, mix those dry ingredients together. Okay, to the dry ingredients, you're going to go ahead and add 1 stick, which is equivalent to half a cup of softened butter. Put the flour all over it and then start to press it with the fork into the flour, and you want to create a nice crumbly mixture. So get the flour mixture nice and crumbly as such, and then our last ingredient, buttermilk. If you're using bottled buttermilk, give it a good shake. Okay, and we put about a cup. You could start with a little less and then add more, but I usually use the whole cup. Okay, to make buttermilk, if you don't have it and you want to make it, you can take regular milk. It could be whole milk, skim milk, preferably whole milk, but 1 cup of whole milk with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I've used white vinegar, I've used apple cider, I think I've even used red wine vinegar, and it creates buttermilk. And I promise you the taste is no different. It's pretty cool. So go ahead and pour the buttermilk in. Mix it around with a spoon. Okay, we'll do the rest of the mixing with hands. I'm just going to clear this area up and then we're going to roll it out and shape it. Okay, so sprinkle your work area with some flour. Compress that into a ball before you put it into the flour. It's pretty sticky. All right, so you're going to sprinkle a little flour on it. Kind of roll it around in the flour. You don't want it too sticky. So if you used a full cup of buttermilk, you want to just get it kind of coated with the flour before you roll it out. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so smooth it with your hands. And then you're going to roll, okay? So I like thicker biscuits, so you don't want to roll it too much. Take a round cookie cutter. If you do not have one, you can use a glass. Just take the glass and put it in there. You just want it to be circular. So go ahead and cut them out. Okay, and then you take what's left of it, re-roll it. So I'm going to place these over in our baking sheet. 1, 2. Okay, a little more flour. I mean, it rolls super easy. You hardly have to really press the roller down. 3 more. Ooh, we're going to get a lot. Okay, and take it again. Every last morsel we use. Okay, and this last piece here, I'm just gonna press it out. Give it a nice circle shape. And that's it. All right, so that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 biscuits, guys. If you want them bigger and thicker, then, you know, just don't roll it out as much. These are gonna go in a preheated 425-degree oven for between 10 and maybe 12 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long they take. Okay, so I'm gonna pop them in and be right back. Okay, the biscuits are done. The house smells fantastic. I baked them for 15 minutes. So that's 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And they look great. I've got one semi-cooled down that I'm gonna cut open and taste test. It's still steamy. Can you see that steam? So like I said, I'm a big fan of biscuits with butter and honey. Like, whoa. Melt in your mouth deliciousness. Another great thing for biscuits is jam or some gravy. Like I said, put some chicken, make a Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit.
Hi.
Oh, there's Juliet. So I got this half buttered and honeyed up. I'm gonna try it.
I want some.
Do you? One bite?
But Mama, she won't let me go on the board. Hot.
Wow.
But I won't let me go on the board.
Okay, hold on. Delicious. You guys gotta make these. So fast, so easy, so delicious. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. Remember to go check out my recipes on Food 52. And stay well, stay healthy in quarantine. Take care. Bye.